Hey guys, I know you're busy. I just have to ask you one quick question, and that is, are you prepared for the coming food crisis and or the coming economic crisis? And would you be interested if I could teach you one quick trick that could save your life when these things occur? Hi, my name's Leah McCulloch. I'm a registered dietitian, nutritionist, a food advocate, and an organic gardener. And you know that we live in unprecedented times. Unprecedented times. Fire, earthquakes, volcanoes, extreme hot, extreme cold, tornadoes, drought. The damage to the food supply is getting more and more and more. And remember that when a volcano goes off in Hawaii or Guatemala, or floods occur in Florida, or fires occur in California, it affects your food supply, right? So I know that people know, you know, that you should grow your own food. But most people are quite daunted by it, and they think of things like the bugs and the weeds and the digging and all the work that goes into it, and many people fail at gardening. But the problem is we become dependent on a system that doesn't necessarily have your best needs in mind. Our food is full of chemicals, it's full of pesticides, it's full of herbicides, it's been denatured, it's less nutritious than it used to be. There's a lot of really, really good reasons why you should grow your own food. I'm someone who spent her life helping people be healthy, helping people grow food, helping people really make their lives better. But I became frustrated because I'm like, it's hard. It is hard, and you do need to have a good system. So I searched for years and years and years to find a really simple answer to a complicated question, and that is, how do you produce good food on a regular basis? And the exciting thing is, I found something. I met a wonderful man who'd been experimenting and doing things in his yard, and it was magic. So I want to share this with you. What I've done is I've created a webinar, and you could sign up. It's free. It's a free webinar. Just go there and learn what I've learned from him. And I can tell you, that's about a year ago I learned this secret. I can tell you now I'm growing abundant organic gardens with almost no weeds, almost no water. It's very drought resistant, almost no water, almost no pests, and absolutely no digging, and no pesticides and no herbicides. It's an absolute revolutionary way to do gardening. So, and I'm not kidding when I say this one very simple trick could save your life, and it's something you only have to do once a year. So at the very least, you need to know how to grow good food for your own family. In the worst case scenario, what I'm teaching you could save your life, and it could save you from starvation. So I'm going to ask you to hop over and click on that link, and imagine if you do grow your own food. Imagine the economy collapses. Not a big deal. Imagine the food supply is in disarray. Not a big deal. You're covered. And that's what I want for you. So this is urgent, and I encourage you to start right now. Learn the trick that's going to save your life. Now, I need to say this is a pre-recorded webinar, so you can go there right now and you can watch it right now, no matter what time of the day or night it is. Or you can pick another time and just sign up for a different time. But sign up right now, because once you scroll past me, you may not see me again. And so sign up right now. Do not leave this to chance. I promise you it's worth your time. God bless you.